Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with an awesome bike that I want to show you. It's a super bike. It actually dominated the World Superbike Championships for about 3 years. It's the Aprillia Tuono. It's a 999cc liquid cooled V4 in this bike. We got some sport bike riders and road racers here that are really fired up about it. They know all about this bike. This thing puts out about 167 horsepower, weighs about 400 pounds. Got a 6-speed transmission. It's a chain drive, 4-into-2-into-1 exhaust. It's got clutchless shifting with this little paddle button over here. You can upshift, and then on the back side you just pull back and downshift. This is an amazing bike. It's the very same bike without all of the racing fairings and stuff that was on the championship bike. It's an amazing machine. This thing revs so fast. It's a 4-stroke motor, but it revs like a 2-stroke Tuono V4. It's in excellent condition. No signs of abuse or falling or any of that stuff. Liquid cooled. It's got 8 performance modes, 3 anti-lock brake modes on it that can help you in and out of the curves, help keep your front end down, and still experience that rocket ship kind of a feel. Monoshock down here, gas shock. Let's fire it off and let you listen to it. This bike's only got, let's see if I can get to it. Need to, it's got, there it is, 1,924 miles on this bike. Man, she'll talk to you. Feel that exhaust. I know you can't feel it, but it's just pops out of there. Watch it rev. Amazing. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. Got a lot of good finance options and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship motorcycles all over the world. So it'd be easy to get this beautiful, extra clean 2012 Aprillia Tuono delivered right into your driveway. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.